Hello, our names are Yeji, Alec, and Jonathan, and this is our ICM Statistics video project. Statistics is defined as the practice of collecting and analyzing data in large quantities. Our question that asked 100 seniors, how many AP classes are you taking this year, received quantitative data or type of data that can be categorized with numbers. We asked people who were in our classes and easy to reach, also known as convenience sampling, because that was the simplest way to get answers.
This is the data our team collected. This is our data put into a frequency table. As you can see, only one person stated that they are taking 5 APs this year, while many other seniors state that they are taking 1 or 3 AP classes, which leads us to our central tendency. The central tendency is made up of 4 main points, which are mode, median, mean, and mid-range. The mode, or the most frequent number that was stated, was 1. The median of the data was 2. The mean, or the average of the data, was 1. The mid-range was 2.5. This is because the highest number, which was 5, plus the lowest number, which was 0, equals 5. Then divided by 2 gets you 2.5.
Next, we look at the measures of spread. The measures of spread is made up of 5 points, which are range, quartiles, IQR, variance, and standard deviation. The range can be found by subtracting the highest number from the lowest number, so 5 minus 0, which equals 5. There are 2 parts to finding the quartiles. You need to find quartile 1 and quartile 3, also known simply as Q1 and Q3. To find the Q1 and Q3, you must first find the median of the whole data set, which was 2 for our data. Then, find the median of the lower half and the median of the upper half to give you the Q1 and Q3. The Q1 and Q3 of our data was 3. Knowing Q1 and Q3 can help people create a box and whisker plot. Here is an example of a box and whisker plot using our data. The first whisker is the lowest value in our data set, which is 0. Next would be the Q1, which is 1, then the median, which is 2, and then the Q3, which is 3. The last whisker is the highest value, which is 5, and this helps create a box and whisker plot. The next measure of spread would be the IQR. The IQR, also known as interquartile range, can be found by using the formula Q3 minus Q1. For our data, it'd be 3 minus 1, which equals 2. The variance is how far a set of numbers are from their average. The variance of our data was 1.688. The standard deviation is the measurement of displacement from the mean. The standard deviation of our data was rounded to 1.299. With the standard deviation and the mean, we are able to create a bell curve. Our data is put into a bell curve that can be shown here, with our mean being 1 and our standard deviation being rounded to 1.299. This helps show that our data is normally distributed.